Alright guys, today, with Mr. Epic, we're doing we're going, bike vlogging and some other stuff.
I'm going inside too.
What, are you kidding me?
You can vlog by yourself.
Why? You guys don't want to be in vlog? Well, guys, look,
See you guys tomorrow.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, Connor might see you tomorrow, guys.
Oh, dude, we should do a vlog every week.
Yeah, okay, guys.
See you guys next week.
Wait, I'm not sure.
What day is it? See you next week.
Guys, that's
See you next Monday, guys.
Guys, that's Brock. That's Brock right there. And then, well, guys, come here. Come here. Let me introduce you first to them, to the viewers. Well, there's Connor and Brock.
Bye-bye.
Brock's the person on the bike, and Connor, yeah, they're a little bit antsy today. We already tried doing this video, but didn't work out. The camera died, so we had to try again to make this video. We had a lot of stuff done, but I guess it's fine. So I'm gonna do bike vlogging. You can see good. Okay. Alright guys. Let's do this. Today, might just be a bike walking. Sorry if this is a short video. Hopefully, I'll make it up next video. Alright guys, I guess, oh no, I might be done for the day. Sorry, I made 3 videos today, and I'm kind of exhausted. And I guess please like and subscribe. That'll be awesome. And hopefully see you next time. Bye.